Hey, James Thompson, Mark Right Lines. Let's have a little sneak peek while no one's in the shop. We can go through our production floor. We've got a Ford-4000. It's a detail truck. We got plenty of room for storage for dies. On the other side, there's a power plant, diesel powered, diesel fire kettles. We've got room for 2 hand liners on the back. We've got a 2,000 pound lift. It's got a strobe package, 25 light aero board. Over here we've got a small thermo truck. It is a 4,000 pound thermo truck, 2,000 pounds each color. It's got Dash 8 pumps, and lots of maneuverability. Sometimes you don't always have to have a huge thermo truck. Next, we've got a 3-color epoxy truck. We've got 6,000 pound bead tanks. We've got 2 pusher axles, 2,400 pumps. We've got a 2-color epoxy truck. Also the orange paint scheme. Parts room, we've got all our fittings. A lot of people don't get to see this. We've got hoses, crimper machine, and then we've got a 1,000 gallon paint truck. High pressure. We've got a heat system. It's got elements on the back. We've got our Econiq chassis. On the Econiq chassis, we've got cameras under each mirror. We've got a camera in the front. We've got adaptive cruise control. It's a walk-through cab. Boss air compressor. Little crazy thing over here is a detail truck. It's a different chassis. This is a crew cab. And then it's got super single wheels on the back. There's 2 cranes, lifting hand liners on, plenty of room for material or beads. 8,000 pound capacity in the melters. It's also diesel fire. Look at those super singles. Full strobe package. That's a little sneak peek around the MRL shop.